Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rucha. So today's video is going to be slightly different than the usual videos that I make. Today's video is going to be about fashion hacks, small hacks that we need in our daily lives. So in our day-to-day lives, we face many problems while clothing up or getting ready. So these fashion hacks will help you with those problems. And yeah, let's get started without any delay. So starting with the first one, when we need scrunched sleeves for a blazer or t-shirt, so to make it look stylish, but the scrunched sleeves just don't stay put. So here's what you do for that. Take a rubber band and roll it around your sleeve and then scrunch the sleeves from the rubber band. And there you have got scrunched sleeves which will stay put. So moving on with the next one, we generally find our t-shirts normal wearing very boring. At least I do. So here's a small trick to make it look stylish. Just gather the fabric from the front side of the t-shirt on the inside as I am doing here and tie a knot to it. And there you have got yourself a beautiful texture and style to your t-shirt. If you don't want to do this, there is another style waiting for you. Just pull the neck of the t-shirt over one of your shoulders to give it a one shoulder look and tie a knot from the downside of the t-shirt. And there you have got a beautiful stylish top. So there are times when sudden plans are made with friends for partying and stuff, and you just don't have the appropriate dress to wear, and there is no time to go and buy one. So there is a simple trick for you to do that. Take a wide leg palazzo and turn it into your beautiful one shouldered dress. How do you do it? Here's how you do it. Wear one side of the palazzo as a skirt and pull it up till your chest. Then use the other side of the palazzo leg as your sleeve. And there you have got a beautiful one-shouldered dress. You can add a belt here for a more cleaner look. And there you are, ready to go for party in just 5 minutes. So you might get tired of the long sleeves since they are a bit harder to maintain. So here's what you do. Just fold the sleeves up to your shoulder in pleats, just as we do with a sari, and tuck the rest of the fabric in your belt. And there you have got a beautiful dress. Plain kurtis are just going out of style, right? Even I think so. But if you're heading to a wedding or a function where you need to wear a plain kurti, here's how you can give a beautiful element to your kurti. Just add one earring in the middle part of your neck of the kurti. And there you have got a beautiful element to your kurti. You can also add another earring if you want. And there you go. so you're heading to a wedding, but you forgot Mang Tika. And now you have realized that you don't have any Mang Tika and there is no time to go and buy. Okay, so here's what you do. Just take one of the earrings, traditional jhumkas or any traditional earring, and use it as a Mang Tika, as I'm doing here. You can use one earring or two earrings. It's totally up to you. And there you have got a beautiful Mang Tika. So go and flaunt it. Baby hairs are truly very annoying, right? And it does make you look a little bit juggly also sometimes. Okay, what I meant is it does not give you a very posh and clean look. So I have found a permanent solution to your baby hair problems. What you do? Just watch. I am taking a mascara here and shedding off the excess and then combing the baby hairs through the mascara. The mascara will help the baby hairs stay put, and there you have got a posh and clean look for yourself. Oh, so you are also fond of nose pins like I am, but I am terrified of piercing my nose because I have heard and I have seen that it hurts a lot. So here's a simple trick that you try for nose pin. Just take any sparkly bindi and just put it on your nose, and there you have got yourself a DIY nose pin. So these are some of the fashion hacks that you can use in your daily lives or whenever you are in a fashion disaster, and they will totally solve your problems. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Also comment down below which hack did you like the most, and did all these hacks help you in your daily lives. And share this video as much as possible to your friends, relatives and everyone you know. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the bell notification so that you do not miss my next upcoming video. Don't forget, I post videos on every Saturday, so stay tuned every Saturday to see my new videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.